Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 23 of contract costing. This is the CMA inter cost accounting. Please read the question here. This is the contract costing. Now, Deluxe Limited is undertook the contract price rupees 5 lakh on 1st July, on 30th July, June this. 1st July to the 2016 on 30th June. This is a finishing. This okay. We will close the following details. Material purchased 1 lakh, wages paid 45,000, general expenses 10,000, plant purchase 50,000, material in hand 25,000, wages accrued 5,000, work satisfied 2 lakhs, cash received, excuse me, cash received 1,50,000, depreciation of plant is given 5,000, work satisfied rupees 1 lakh, work unsatisfied 15,000, work unsatisfied 15,000. Okay, now first we have to think about these. The above contract contains exclusion clause. Exclusion clause means if the price of material wages will increase, then the contract value will be also increase. Okay, the information is given about that. In the event the price of material and rate wages increases by 5%, more than 5%, more than 5%. If the price of material wages increase more than 5%, the contract price would also increase by 25%. Contract price also increase by 25% of the rise in cost of material and wages beyond 5%. Contract price also increase to the extent of 25% of the rise. I will make you understand by the practically here. It was found that since the data signing the agreement, the price of material and wages increased by 25%. This cost is increased by 25% as per from the date of signing the contract. From the date of signing of contract. Okay. Now, value of the work certified does not take into account the effect of the above closure. Please prepare the contract account. Working should be clear. Okay, look at it. Contract account. Debit side, credit side, particular. This is amount, particular amount. This is in rupees. This is in rupees. Okay, please write here. To raw material purchase 1 lakhs, to wages look at it, wages 45,000 is here, 5,000 accrued wages. This is 45,000 plus 5,000, 50,000. To general expenses 10,000. To depreciation on plant, depreciation on plant This is 5,000, 1,65,000, 1,65,000 by cost of contract to date carried out by raw material at site. This information is given raw material at site. Look at here. Material on hands. This is given 25,000. 25,000. 25,000. This is rupees 1,65,000. Then this will be 1,40,000. 1,40,000 to cost of contract to date brought down 1,40,000. Now look at it. What are the prices increases? Look, the price of raw material and these all are increased by 1,25,000. 25,000. Okay. Working note. Calculation of contract price when price of raw material and wages increased by 25%. Okay. Raw material after increased price rupees 1 lakh, wages after increase 45,000 plus 5,000, this is 50,000. Raw material in hands minus 25,000. This is raw material not used. Expenditure incurred after increasing price rupees 1,25,000. Price of raw material and wages at the time of signing contract. Because of this is increased by 25%. That's why before at the time of signing contract, this would be this. This is rupees 1 lakh. But if price will increase by 5%, then there will be no increase in contract price. Okay, the price after increasing 5% would be price after increasing 5%. What will be the 5% after increasing 5%? 1 lakh. This is 1 plus 0.5 rupees 1,05,000. If price increase more than 5%, then 25% of the price increase will be increase the contract price as per information given. Okay. If price of the raw material and wages increase by more than 5%, then the 5% of the 25% the increased price will be added into contract price in contract value. Look at it. In the given question, what is saying here? In the event of the price of material increased by 5%, the contract price would be increased accordingly. 25% of rise, 25% rise in cost of material and wages beyond 5%, beyond 5%. ठीक है, okay? Look at it. Price of raw material and wages increase beyond 5%, beyond 5%. Total price was 1,25,000. Price beyond 5% is 1,05,000. This is rupees 20,000. Now contract price will increase by, if price of raw material and wages increase beyond 5%, then 25% of such increase is increased by contract price increased by 25% of such increase. 25% of 20,000, this is rupees 5,000. Now contract price would be rupees 5 lakh plus 5,000, 5 lakh 5,000. Work satisfied, rupees 2 lakh plus 5,000, 2 lakh 5,000. This was the main part of this question. Okay, this was main part of this questions. Now by work in progress, work satisfied, two lakh 5,000. Work uncertified, this is 15,000. Total 2,15,000. This is 2,15,000. To notional profit, notional profit 80,000. Two lakh 20,000 here. 2,20,000. 2,20,000. Notional profit 80,000. By notional profit 80,000 to profit and loss account, to work in progress, to reserve. Now profit transfer to profit and loss account, working note, profit transfer to profit and loss account. Look at here, the work is completed less than 50% because of the contract price was 5 lakh. This is the contract value, this is a work satisfied. That's why notional profit into cash received, work certified. 1 by 3 80,000. Cash received 1,50,000 is given. This is a 2,05,000. 19512. 19512 60488. This is your 80,000. This is your 80,000. Okay, this question is completed. This is also good questions. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.